In this video, I'll show you how to get your new Yealink MP56 Microsoft Teams phone configured to your Microsoft Teams account. This tutorial assumes you already have Microsoft Teams phone working, so either on your computer, PC or Mac, or on your phone, on your mobile app, that you're able to make calls. And we're also starting with your phone already plugged in to the internet and it has power. Okay, so you need to be at this point in order to proceed. And if you're not sure, here's a quick diagram that you can reference. It shows you two different options, whether or not you have a power adapter or a PoE switch. So just pause the video and you can check this. Or if you need more help, I have a whole video on how to set up this phone and make the connections up on the screen somewhere or in the video description. All right, so you're looking at the screen from the phone. I just have it projecting to my computer here that you're looking at. It looks exactly like this. When you first plug it in, boot it up, it might be sleepy, maybe unplug and plug in power again. And within 5 minutes, if you're booting up the first time, this should show up. So language selection. And the way this works, so right now it has pre-highlighted already English, United States. And you might be thinking, how you don't need to change that. You can verify, you can tap on that again. And then to continue to the next step, you hit this check mark right here at the top right. So I'll go ahead and do that. It'll tell you that the language is set. And next, it'll show you the time zone selection. So same thing here, just it's a touch screen. So you go ahead, move around on the screen, just move it up or down to find the right one that you need. So I'm here Pacific time. So you'll notice that I tapped on it and then I need to hit the check mark at the top. Now we actually want to go to this website that tells us to Microsoft.com/device login. And as you go there, or before you go there, you can hit this refresh code. Okay, so now it shows us a code and we'll go ahead and go to this website in our browser. All right, so when you type that website address in, it gets you to this page that says enter code. So all you do here is just enter the code that you see on the device. And I should mention that you could sign in on the desk phone itself just by tapping here, sign in on this device. But I find it a little easier just to do in the web browser because you're going to need to log into your Microsoft account. So anyways, once you have the code dialed in here, just click next. And then it takes you to the Microsoft login page. So if you're signed in already, just select there or click use another account and follow the steps to sign into your account. And you're just saying, am I sure? Yes. Continue. Okay, so it says I may now close this window. And in a moment here, you should see your desk phone refresh. There it is. It's loading. So it's now saying connecting, signing in. These are just the screens that you're going to see. And then once it's all done, you'll see this screen. And all you have to tap on the screen on your device is got it. And then it gets you to this screen. So now you can see this is like the home screen on Teams. If you hit the Teams button on the device, this is where it takes you. It shows me that I'm logged in. I can tap on my name. I can tap on more to see contacts, things like that. But that's all. So now you're signed in and your calls should work. If that helped you out, please subscribe and hit the like button. Also, if you just need help on how to use this device, please check out the next video up on the screen or in the video description. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care.